Hi, I'm going to do a quick video on how to solve this math space problem. So I'm going to find the lateral area is given to me, so I need to solve for x here. So I would grab the sketch pad and write down what are my two unknowns. My unknowns are this, what is it? Hold on. This 2x is my r, and 3x is my h. Okay, that's the first two things. Then I'm going to go to Desmos. Okay, I'm going to click over here and I'm going to write cylinder lateral surface area. So I'm going to grab the LA formula off the formula sheet, and it's 2 pi RH. Then I'm just going to plug in what they give me. They tell me 300, 2x, 3x. 300 pi, sorry. 300 pi equals 2 pi times 2x times 3x, because this is my r and this is my h. Don't freak out. It's basic algebra. Now, you could combine all of these at this point if you want, or you can divide by 2 pi and then solve. I'm going to combine my whole, since it's all multiply, I'm going to combine my whole thing and go, I'm going to show you the easiest way. 300 pi equals 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. 12 pi. X times x is x squared. That's the most common error, is you forget to put an x squared in there. Now I can just do basic algebra 1. I'm going to get x squared by itself, so I'm going to divide this whole thing by 12 pi. Whatever I do to the left, I need to do the same thing to the right. Whatever I do to the left, I do to the right. Whatever I do to the right, I do to the left, right? So that will give me x squared, which is what I need to solve for, right? So down here, I'm going to put 300 pi divided by 12 pi. Now remember, when they're both those pi's, the pi's just cancel, right? So then this is x squared equals 25. Yes? So x is going to be 5, because I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So that is my answer to this question. X is equal to 5. All right, and then you're going to type it in. Make sure in math space you put x equals 5. Hit submit, and it should tell you that you got it right. Yes? Does that sound good? There was one other one. Let's do this cone one. Cone volume. Okay, these numbers are big, but they're not hard. Okay, I'm going to take this number 83,695. Actually, I'm going to go to my cone. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to look for my cone volume. Okay, and my, oops. I don't need all those things. All right, so I'm not going to put it in because it's giving me all these crazy things. So the formula for my cone volume, and I'm going to get rid of all this stuff because I don't need it now. Okay. My formula for my cone volume is cone volume V equals 1 divided by 3, arrow over, pi r squared times h, right? So I'm going to put my h in there. All right, now I'm going to look at what they give me on this one. My volume is 83,695.8. 83,695.8. That's my volume, so I'm going to put it right underneath my V. Yeah, I'm just substituting it in. I'm going to do 1/3, and I'm going to do pi, and I'm going to look at what else they give me. They tell me my radius is 44.7, and I need to know my height. Yes? So I'm going to put 44.7 squared times my h, which is my unknown. Now, I'm going to do basic algebra 1. Think about this. I can take all of this, copy it. Oops. divide, and I'm going to put that whole thing underneath. I want to get rid of it. So whatever I do to the right, I can also do to the left. Whatever I do to the left, I have to do to the right. Whenever I do to the right, I have to do to the left. Doesn't matter which side you're on. I'm just going to copy that whole thing. Now these cancel, right? And H is by itself. Are you with me? So now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to copy this whole thing, and this is going to be my answer to H. I'm going to go down here, and my answer is 40.00. I'm going to go look at my answer here. It says round to the nearest centimeter, and your answer should just be, what am I solving for? H equals 40. Don't forget to put H equals, and that is your answer. Okay, so this was just like those two homework problems. Okay, that is how you use Desmos to solve any kind of formulas that you're given the volume or the surface area or the lateral area, and then you're straight up just doing basic algebra 1.